Bear Notes versus Obsidian. Which note-taking app is better? Choosing the right note-taking app can transform how you organize ideas without losing focus. Bear Notes offers simplicity and elegance, while Obsidian emphasizes deep linking and customization. Bear Notes and Obsidian are popular note-taking apps designed for writers and knowledge workers. Bear Notes focuses on a clean, distraction-free interface, while Obsidian centers on building a personal knowledge base using linked notes and markdown files. Bear Notes is a beautifully designed app for Mac and iOS that prioritizes simplicity and ease of use. It works by letting users create notes with markdown support, organizing them through tags and nested tag groups. The interface is minimal and distraction-free, making it ideal for quick note-taking and journaling. Bear Notes supports syncing across Apple devices via iCloud, ensuring your notes are always accessible. Its strengths lie in its elegant design, smooth user experience, and powerful tagging system that replaces traditional folders. However, Bear Notes is limited to Apple ecosystems, which can be a downside for users on other platforms. It also lacks advanced linking features and plugin support found in more complex apps. Bear Notes is best suited for users who want a straightforward, visually appealing note app without steep learning curves or heavy customization. Obsidian is a powerful note-taking app that transforms your notes into a connected knowledge base using markdown files stored locally. It works by allowing users to create notes and link them through bidirectional links, visualizing relationships in a graph view. Obsidian's strengths include extensive customization through plugins, themes, and community support. It supports offline access and cross-platform use on Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, and Android. This flexibility makes it ideal for users who want to build a deep, interconnected system of notes, perfect for research, writing, and complex projects. However, Obsidian's interface can be overwhelming for beginners, and the learning curve is steeper compared to simpler apps. It requires more setup and maintenance to get the most out of its features. Obsidian suits power users and knowledge workers who value control, extensibility, and long-term note organization. Bear Notes and Obsidian serve different needs in note-taking. Bear Notes excels at quick, elegant note capture with a focus on simplicity and Apple ecosystem integration. It's perfect for users who want a distraction-free environment and easy tagging without complex setups. In contrast, Obsidian offers a robust framework for building a personal knowledge graph with deep linking and powerful customization options. It works across multiple platforms and stores notes locally, giving users full control over their data. The trade-off is Obsidian's steeper learning curve and more involved setup. If you need an intuitive, beautiful app for daily notes, Bear Notes fits well. For those seeking an extensible, research-oriented tool that grows with your knowledge, Obsidian is the better choice. Choose Bear Notes if you prioritize a clean, simple interface and seamless syncing within the Apple ecosystem for straightforward note-taking and organization. Opt for Obsidian if you want a powerful, customizable knowledge base with cross-platform support and advanced linking features. It's ideal for deep thinkers and researchers who want to build a connected system of notes that adapts to complex workflows.